Hey guys, DJ Fix. Our video for today it's all about cabin filter. We're gonna change the cabin filter or aircon filter on this 2012 Dodge Caravan. So let's start. First thing to do, guys, you're gonna open your glove box. Then on both sides, you're gonna squeeze this one like that. Squeeze. Then bring it down a little bit. Then after that, you can see here there's a tab on both sides, so we're gonna pull this tab towards us, both sides. That's it. Then after that, we're gonna pull the old cabin filter. So dirt. Old. Then the airflow must be arrow down, so the position on this is like that, and airflow must be like this. So we can install the new one. Let's insert the new one, push it. That's it. Then install the cover. So just post the cover. That's it, on both sides. Then install back again the glove box. Hold on. So just squeeze, also push this one forward, then squeeze on the side, on both sides. That's it. So that's the easy way to replace your cabin filter on your Dodge Caravan. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch my next video. Thanks.